I'm with Yen Yen.
Yeah.
Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
Okay. We just finished playing basketball, and we took a little rest. And now, if you've seen my video probably a week ago, actually, when you see this, I went to go visit a woman, or I was walking down the street and I met a woman that was selling homemade rugs. And I talked with her, bought all the rugs, and bought her some Jollibee. But I think today we're going to try to find her again, and hopefully maybe go to her home and see where she lives and see if she needs any supplies or food or whatnot. But who knows? So we're gonna try. If she is there, we'll see. But if she's not, we can go find something else to do or find other people to help. But that's the plan. So we're gonna take the motorbike, and we'll see you guys when we get there. I don't see her. So this is where I saw that lady the other day. And she's not here. So I guess we're just gonna walk around, hopefully run into her. So we'll go walk around and see if we can find her. Hey, this is the police guy from the other day. He's helping us. She's not here today, so we're gonna come back tomorrow morning, and hopefully we can find her and talk to her and see if she needs some supplies or anything like that. I want to go see if we can go to her house or her home and see where she lives and kind of explore that area. But so tomorrow we'll come back here. Yeah. And then all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Okay, thank you. He's Agustin backpacks from USA, Michigan. So he wants to talk to you. Is it okay to talk with you?
Okay na mo kuya? Na mag-extend siya no? Okay ka bala ka? He's okay.
He's okay. All right. Is it okay if I sit down? All right. So this is the same area where I was the other day, and today there's a new person. So what is your name?
My name is Agustin.
Augustin?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. So it looks like you're doing shoe repair?
Yeah, shoemaker.
All right. That's good to know. If I ever have need shoes that need repaired, I'll come to you then. So these...
Ano siya, if nakataw kayo sapatos, hindi ka siya magpapano, no? Bayo.
So whose shoes are these right now you're repairing?
Another man.
Another man? So he gave you his shoes and then now you're repairing them? How long does it take you to repair a shoe?
Pila na ito kakatoy ka naman? Kaya ka nagpano niya?
Almost 35 years.
Oh, you've been repairing shoes for 35 years?
Yeah.
35 years.
35 years?
Yeah.
That's a long time. So you must be pretty good.
Asya okay na, maayo na daraan ng buwan.
They don't make shoes like they used to. They seem to fall apart too easy. But good for you because I bet you have a lot of business. So you have your own business? You're pretty much an entrepreneur?
Small business.
Owner is small business, repair of shoes.
So your business is repairing shoes. How many hours a day do you usually repair shoes for?
Pila daw ka oras na buwan. Ayun.
8 hours.
8 hours a day? Yeah. I was here 2 days ago and I didn't see you here. When you're not here... Okay. Do you have other locations where you repair shoes?
lugar kung magaling ng sapatos ka?
Yeah.
No. There's no other place.
Just here?
No.
Ari na kaya?
Round.
She's roaming around. He's roaming around.
You roaming around, so wherever you find like shade, you'll probably do work to stay cool.
He's roaming around, like looking the.
Is he looking to find clients?
Yeah, finding other clients for repairing shoes.
So how do you find your clients? You just find someone with their shoes falling apart and you ask them if you want to fix their shoes? How does that work? How do you find...
Saan mo kaya pag kuhaan mo na pag sapatos, ikay nagkuhan nila or niya, dollar siya ni mo?
Nakabuhat.
Hindi, nagbato ni dollar siya ni mo anak.
Tangon sa.
Anong mga sapatos nagbayo ni mo?
Oh,
they're looking him.
sila lang.
You what?
They're looking him. if they want to repair their shoes.
Okay, so you probably have a big clientele list. Like he
Yeah.
knows many people, because you knew it for 35 years, right? Is that what you
Yeah.
said? 35 years?
5 years.
So you is a pro.
So you're a pro, so you probably are known around this area to fix people's shoes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Because clients already know him.
Do you have any contact information where if people seeing this video can contact him to repair shoes?
What?
Does he have contact information if someone
meron.
watching this video?
Ano ba kayo makakontak na number para i-share sa imo? Malinaw itong mga naka-cellphone number? He didn't have contact numbers.
Okay. So if someone sees this video and wants their shoes fixed, how will they find him? Just this location?
Asa may makita nyo kayo?
Ha?
Asa may makita nyo?
Asa mo makakita na?
Oo.
Wala ko lang po.
He's roaming.
He's
Because
roaming
we can
around.
never find him easily.
Okay. What kind of materials do you use? I see do you have that kind of...
Masa na siya makakuha niyo?
Bamo.
Bamo?
Bamo.
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 Dustin, Bamo. He use Bamo for...
Bamo.
What's Bamo?
Is
Like a tool? It's a tool?
yeah, it's a tool with a...
Like this is a Bamo or no?
Yeah, that's the Bamo.
Yan.
This is Bamo.
Yan,
All right.
Bamo. Yung panahin niya.
Alright.
Panahin.
How long does it take you to fix? Like if you have to put a sole on, how long will it take?
It's 1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour.
1 hour.
And then after you put the sole on, is that finished?
Yeah. Finish.
You're done?
Banana. Done. It's already like making, repairing the shoes is only 1 hour.
How much would it cost to put this job right here? How much did it cost? How much do you make?
100.
100.
100 pesos for this job?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I look at your tools?
Sure thing. Sure make it. Yeah.
Very cool.
Bigyan lang yung message yun.
Can you kind of explain his tool set?
Kaya pwede may makatanaw sa akin. Yeah.
Like I just
Rugby.
That's a rugby.
rugby. What's
Yeah.
that? What's rugby?
A color.
A sticky. Just
Oh,
like a
this is the sticky.
Yeah,
So
this is the rugby.
this is to put it on and then
Yeah.
to stick it on.
So this one is, saan kaya?
Color. Shoes.
Oh, the color.
The color.
Black.
It's a black, it's like a ink
Okay.
Black.
block.
And that's a color too?
Yeah, it's same.
All right.
Ink. It's using.
And this is the glue,
Nabangan na kayo? So this is a shoes glue.
shoe glue.
Then next one is. So saan itay? Hindi, kinsan eh?
Color brown.
Ha?
Brown.
Brown color?
Brown color.
No, it's a brown color.
So these are dyes to match the color.
Yeah.
And then
This is a brush for the
shoe shine. Shoe shine.
So you're making
I wish I had a shoe that I need repair, but do you have time to go get some supplies for you, or is
may
there
oras kayo nga.
is there something nearby? I'd like to get you some supplies for your
Nabay
business.
dool nga tindahan nga makapalit yung supply para ang supply nga ginani. Asa man?
Kung sa Progress.
We can go in the progress so that we can buy the materials. So,
Would he like to come with us?
unsa makakakoy kayo naman kayo?
Oh.
Yeah, cool.
We can.
All right, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
Papilit sila tay. Kinauga na.
Are we able to carry all this?
Madikit sila, madikit sa
This is a Nike.
Yeah.
But the bottom of the shoes,
Something else. All right.
Yeah.
So the top is Nike and
Yeah.
the bottom is something else.
yeah,
All right.
he replaced it.
Very nice. Wow. Yeah. Enjoy.
Just in your back.
All right.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. We'll follow you.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, thanks again, my friend. I'll see you tomorrow. All right. See you tomorrow. Or maybe later today. sure exactly where we're going, but I'm sure he does. So we're gonna go get some supplies, and we'll just see you when we get there. What?
This is my school.
Hey, this is your school.
Yeah, University of Cebu.
This is kind of like a famous street.
Yeah, this is the famous street in Cebu City. Alright, because this is the central.
Oh, we went to the night market here the other night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the night market was over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, let's do. If we across the street with a red signal, we can pay 50 pesos.
Really?
Yeah.
But only if you're
That's why I
caught.
call it no jaywalking.
Oh, here's the street.
There's the store. Buy the threads.
Tell him he can pick out whatever he wants, whatever he needs. Get both. Get
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
get
yeah.
that. Makakuha ka naman sa'yo.
Nakakita ka ng chupalis doon. Round up na po.
These are the soles.
Soul,
These are like the top soles,
soul,
and then these are
soul.
So only.
okay. And this is just a different.
Old soul.
It's just a different color. And then this is like glue,
Shoe glue.
adhesive, shoe glue,
Push glue, shoe polish.
shoe polish, and this like a different color.
Yeah, black
Brown,
and
black,
black. White
The
and
threads.
black.
and then this is ink,
Black, marbles, leather,
more ink,
Brown.
and then brown.
yeah.
Are you happy?
Happy.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah,
This is your Merry Christmas, okay? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ah, that's cool. Huh? It's still her.
Yeah. Sige ko ano.
You can choose anywhere you want to eat.
He choose Jollibee.
He chooses Jollibee. All right. I can carry that one. I can carry it. Thanks. Thank you. All right, guys. We're gonna enjoy our meal, and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm supposed to be on a diet. I don't think this is helping. We rode a motorcycle together, so we're gonna ride together. We're gonna go to his house. He's gonna show us his house. So he's going to leave early, and then we're gonna take the motorbike, and then we'll meet him there. All right, we'll see you soon. All right, we'll meet you at the Jollibee. Okay, okay. All right. I think there's enough room.
Wait a minute. Ang baby, mo ko fun then.
I think it's okay.
Okay, go on.
All right. How far is your house?
Yeah.
Is it far?
Yeah.
Far? Alright, we're gonna ride to the house. I'm not sure how far it is, but we'll see what happens. You have a wife?
Right?
Wife? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
A job in restaurant, carinderia, washing.
Oh, she washes like clothes and things?
Washing.
Okay, okay.
Washing, carinderia.
Alright, okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people plus the driver. All right. I can pay, sir. I'll pay. All right, guys, we're near Augustine's house. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, fine.
Ligo na ba ya?
Friend, a friend. Friend, a friend.
My friend.
Hey, my friend. I'm from USA. Yeah.
United?
Sorry?
Not really United.
In the United States, yeah. Yeah. We're gonna, I'll see you later, okay? Yeah, we're gonna follow Agustin.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.
So, ito sila campets. Kasi kaya mong balay lang, buba na ba nito? Oo, tala niya.
Gara tayo. So this is the house.
All right,
Ay, house sir.
very nice.
Anak, mandiri.
So you are the only one living here?
You live alone?
Oo, nagtrabaho pa. Albe! Ate! Asin. Oh.
Is this your room?
This is your room? Mali, wala na tayo.
Ayan, room na sa room ako.
His room is in there?
Yeah, sa room.
Okay.
This is the room with his cousin.
The translator. So, have you? Is this where you were born in this area?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Init, no?
Dili ka ng ari na ba ka nabuhi?
Oh, dire.
Oh, he's already here.
He was born in this area. So he said he's never been married.
Yeah, he has a wife, but they are not married.
Not together. Okay, okay.
Where's your wife? Asa mong masawa tayo?
Ha?
Asa mong masawa?
Nagtrabaho pa sa kuan sa may Russian. Ano? Larsian.
Okay.
Hugas si plato dun ba?
Your wife working in the Larshad near at the Robinson. Your wife, the one who washing the plates.
Washing the plates.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Trabaho lang na sa may income ba? So ay puntahan akong balay.
He said there's no door here.
Yung puntahan ko dun eh.
So this is the only.
Okay, so you use this as the door.
Yeah.
All right.
Kada close the door.
This is the only one.
Kada close the door. Okay na. Diba kaya kung balay daw?
Wow. What is this card?
No.
Finish.
Is this a hammock?
No, this is
For
sway.
like kind of like a hammock?
Yeah.
How long have you lived here for?
Ilan na natin dito rin.
No? Dugay na. Kaya
Ilan ka, Toy?
bata pa man ito
Ilan ka, Toy?
After 48 years.
48 years.
48 years?
Yeah.
What is your age?
Yes. 62 years.
62? All right. When's your birthday? What month?
Birthday, May 25.
May 25. I'm May 22nd.
Okay.
So we're pretty
May
close.
25.
Almost.
Your cousin taught you how to repair shoes?
May gagawa kaya ng talo nimo?
No, no.
Kasi katalo.
Experience ko lang.
Oh. He said he's the only one.
So you taught yourself? Okay. All right. What made you decide to start repairing shoes? Was it something?
Anong ginagamit ka mo ina na para
Ha?
ano na ni kamot ka magkuan na ba? Nga ba to?
Pero mabuhi nga, nagkakaroon ito ang buhay. Pero
That's why you try your best to prepare shoes so that you can live better, so that you can take a food their wife, your baby.
Oh, you have a baby?
baby,
I mean, son.
wala.
Do you have a son?
Layo na.
How old
Layo
is-
ng son ko.
How old? You have two sons.
Yeah, to Cagayan de Oro.
How old are your sons?
Your son's in the Cagayan de Oro. He's in another place.
Near us?
Nope.
Or where's that?
Cagayan de Oro.
Oh, okay. That's in Davao or near
Yeah,
Davao.
no, near Davao.
Mindanao.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. When's the last time you've seen your sons?
Masada ka nakita si Manak.
Baby, tagal na. After 30 years na, 30 years. 30 years.
It's been 30 years. He last saw his son.
30 years
Wala
since you've seen
communication
them?
na.
No communication? Why?
Because there's no gadget. I think there's no gadget.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
gadget ba tayo?
Okay.
He rent this house.
Huh?
He rent this house.
Oh, you're renting this house?
Yeah.
Okay. How much does it cost to rent this house a month?
Pila daw ang
1,000 man.
1,000 per month.
1,000 per month? Okay. And how many shoes do you fix a day or a week?
Pila daw ka adlaw mo mo maayo nga sapatos.
Maayo ang sapatos ko.
Pila
Ang kitaon.
sa karong adlaw pila ka sapatos mo maayo ba makita?
Usa pa lang kay nakita mo ko rin
One.
ito. Only
One per day.
One shoe per day. And you said before it was 100 pesos per shoe per fix. I just want to thank you, Augustine, for showing me your home. This was really nice of you. I hope all the supplies that we got for you, that it would help you and help with your business, and you can fix a lot more shoes. And if I ever have problems with my shoes, I'll come to you, all right? I know where to find you now, so I'll, I don't know, he probably doesn't understand, but if you want to tell him that. And, but thank you for showing me around. I really appreciate this. This is really nice of
Sa'yo,
you.
isang tinong?
Ana siyang mubalik siya dari nga mapayos sa sapatos. Kung kay katultol naman siya dari.
Kailan daw?
Ha?
Kailan daw? Kanang-
When?
may
When you
araw
will
lang.
go back here?
Yung araw nandito.
When will I come back here?
Yeah.
Well, I'm only in Cebu for maybe another week or two, but
Maybe sunod to sunod do kasi man na kuya.
Diba kasi mana?
but I'm leaving.
Yung adlaw lang mga Domingo o Sabado, para kanang hindi ko malakaw ba?
He said that if you will go here, you need to go in the weekends. You need to go in weekends.
Okay.
So that because he's already here in the weekends.
You'll be on the weekends. Okay. All right, guys. You guys take care. We'll maybe talk for a little longer, and we'll see you guys next video. All right. Bye.